Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jigglypuff. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body with a large circle. Next, let's hop inside and draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing an oval shape on an angle on the top left here. Now let's do the same thing for the other eye, but slightly lower on the right here. Next, inside each eye, on the right side, let's add another oval shape. And then lastly for the eyes, a small circle inside at the top. Next, let's add the mouth in between the eyes with a curve near the bottom here. Okay, next let's hop up to the top and add Jigglypuff's hair. Let's start on the top right, and let's draw a curve up, overlapping the outside, coming back in towards the eye, and then back up like this. And then above the end here, let's draw an S-shaped curve up and over. Next, let's erase that overlapping headline inside. Next, let's add the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up, and then curve it back down, forming a pointed ear shape. And now let's hop over on the right and do the same thing. Next, inside, let's add a curve towards the bottom side like this. And then another curve on the inside on both ears. Next, underneath the ears, let's erase the headlines on the top part. And in the bottom part like this. And that's it for the ears. Next, let's move down and add the hands. Let's start by drawing the left arm on the left by drawing a curve out and then bringing it back in. And then where the body and the arm meet, let's erase a small section in the middle. Now let's hop over on the bottom right and draw a U-shaped curve down and back up for the other arm. And then erase the overlapping line inside. And lastly, let's add the feet. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve out and back in underneath. And the same thing on the right under the arm. And lastly, where each foot attaches to the body, let's erase a small part of the body line in the middle here. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for Jigglypuff. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!